Navigating to the sample location. This video will demonstrate how to use the Gaia GPS app to navigate to a predetermined point that you entered in the previous video. If you were not given predetermined points for your property, continue to the next video. Open the Gaia GPS app on your smartphone. Go to the Save button at the bottom of the screen to view the waypoints you entered during the previous step, and click on the desired waypoint. Click the three dots on the top right and choose Guide Me. A new screen will appear that shows your distance and direction to the target location. The arrow on the screen shows your position and direction you are facing. Navigate to a vertical structure such as a tree or fence post within 10 to 15 meters of the target point.